Anyways, the aquatic marine biome is the place you, sir, have to visit. Why? Well, not only does it cover 3/4 of the world.
The marine biome covers 3/4 of the world, so it's basically covering
Earthing.
Back to Tam 2 to weather and climate. Thank you, Tam. And for the weather and climate. What? Why is you here? Who is you? Weren't you just right here? What? The water of the biome gets cooler as it gets to the north and south poles. Though it gets colder the deeper you go in the water. Unless you go to the mantle and for some reason are still alive and haven't exploded from pressure. It's hard to pinpoint climates and weather patterns since marine biomes are everywhere. But usually, weather doesn't affect the aquatic life unless there's a sharknado. This is water.
Can fish be cold? Biome is divided into 3 parts: ocean, coastal reef, and estuaries. So does that mean that fish visit each part of the marine biome to visit their fish cousins?
Anyways,
OMG, Nemo lived in the coastal reef and traveled all the way to the other marine biome.
Back to the point, estuaries are areas where rivers and streams flow into all its own with interesting plants and animal life. Coral reefs are a collection of coral that provide a habitat for 1,000 species. Oceans, well, everyone knows what oceans are. Back to Tam! Thank you, Tam 2. And now for the flora. Flora, or plant, in the ocean has a wide range from kelp to seaweed. The base of the food chain, without the flora, all the consumers would die out, and the ocean has quite a few species.
Which brings us to another point.
Does anyone need water? Go away, Luminous! You're not supposed to interrupt! And back to us. The ocean's houses are over 30,000 species of fish, with some that haven't been found yet. Fishes are a big part of the food web and many others. One example includes phytoplankton, eaten by zooplankton that are eaten by fish that we eat, as well as others, like sharks. Fish are friends, not food!
Fish are secondary consumers. That means they eat the consumers that eat the producers.
Right!
Yes! I has the brains!
Did you know that most of the small fishes are omnivores and not carnivores? Thank you for the bit of information, Tam 2. Although aquatic life was stable, human interactions such as Japan's hunting of whales and dolphins has been painting the waters red since 1890. This destabilizes the food chains because, believe it
or not,
whale poop is available to the growth of
phytoplankton.
Luckily, Japan has been banned from that, though losing the whales would upset everything. We can also use the marine biomes for transportation, like boats and foods and fishies.
Yeah, anyways, water from the ocean can desalinate for drinking water or used for energy.
You could go to the ocean and go scuba diving. I heard there are all sorts of cool things like active volcanoes, deep trenches, and food and mountains and stuff. That's right. And for a close look of marine animals, SeaWorld is the place for you to go. Unless you're a coral fan, then Flora Keys is the place for you. It has hot spots, and sometimes they have some shipwrecks for you guys to see, and marine creatures everywhere. Yeah. I believe that's it. Call 1-800-TAM is the best, or go online and go on www.tamknowseverything.com. And thank you, Nayeli, for your unwanted. Yeah.
You're very welcome.
Yeah. Next up, star Jade Rayton makes an appearance to discuss Attack on Titans Season 2. Stay tuned!